In this video, let's quickly dive into the way that you fix the YouTube Shorts thumbnail problem. Now, if you're having issues with uploading YouTube Shorts thumbnails, let me show you a couple of common things that may be happening. Now, what you need to know is that while uploading YouTube Shorts, you won't be able to change or remove the thumbnail from using your desktop or laptop. Because YouTube Shorts is mainly made for mobile, you need to open up the YouTube app on your phone and then head over to your videos. From the your videos, you'll be able to see the three-dotted line right here, and you can just tap on the edit option. This way you'll be able to tap on the pencil icon and then manually select the thumbnail that you want for this particular short. Now, if this is not the issue for you, what you can try out is try to clear the data and cache of the YouTube app. Just tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to app info, and then tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear all data. What you can also do is wait out a couple of minutes before the updated thumbnails start to show on the video that you just uploaded. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube Shorts thumbnail problem. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know. That's gotta be all for today. I'll be back soon with more videos just like this.